Okay, so AK-12, how to install battery. Get your stick battery, open here, carefully open here, okay? Then connect your battery here, right? Then lay it on top like this, and then wires should be like this. Then you can close it, but be careful the balancing port. Then you can close it. Hold on. Like so, okay? So if there's no tension with the wiring, that means you're not crushing the wires. That means you're good. However, you can tell here that the latch is not out properly. That is an issue because that means while you play, this will just pop open, okay? So how do you remedy this? It's very easy. Pull the charging handle. Pull the charging handle all the way back. Like that. Then this will pop out, right? Then it's secure. So, same shit. But if this is in like this, pull charging handle all the way to the back, this will pop out. Like so, okay? So why does that happen? It's because the tension, the spring tension here is not strong enough. So when you push the charging handle, you're also pushing this rod out. So keep that in mind whenever you install the battery on the AK-12. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.